Well, across central Kentucky, there are a number of homes and businesses without power after rain and strong winds overnight led to downed tree limbs and power lines. This is a live look at the power outage map for LG&E and KU. Right now, it shows less than 2,000 customers are without electricity. Here in Lexington, it appears power in the JOYLAND area has been restored after it went out around 1 this morning. Crews say they are working around the clock to get power back up and running for everyone.